Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So the 1954 hearse is leaving right now. A little change of plans. It's actually not going to Poland after all. Boy, we've got close clearances here. Really close clearances. But anyway, not going to Poland after all. It'll be staying in the States to a gentleman here in California. And he will be restoring it, which is really nice. So we'll be back with you in a second. So we're having a bit of a problem right now. Kind of a little bit of a communication gap again. Not communicating real well, doesn't understand me much. But they have a Porsche already inside that trailer, and I mean, you can see how small the trailer is. People don't realize how big hearses are. It is 21.5 feet long. So there's absolutely no way it's gonna fit. So I'm kind of curious as to what we're thinking here. But anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for joining the video today. So he swears that he's probably gonna make this thing fit. I tend to doubt it. He's measured it 3 times now. People don't seem to understand, like I said earlier, how long hearses are. But hey, if he wants to try it, go for it. So I will keep you guys posted. But I mean, you can see the length of this car. I'll keep you guys posted on how it's going. Needless to say, clearance is next to null. I'm really shocked that it actually clears those wheel wells right there. It's pretty tight, and he's got to get it obviously all the way into the front of the nose of the trailer to be able to fit that Porsche behind it. So it should get really interesting really fast. I never in a million years thought that he could actually fit it. Because we were doing some measuring in the beginning, and where he had the Porsche, there was no way it was going to fit, but he did some rearranging, obviously, and took the Porsche out, and now it looks like it will work. Hopefully. But definitely a nice trailer. You know, this car was needing a full restoration, so I'm surprised that it's going enclosed. But nice way to do things. I mean, at least your back windows there that are very, very rare will be protected. So that's a good thing. But that's how it goes right now. Beauty and the Beast together in the trailer. But they both fit. Yeah, she's a tight fit for sure. As you can see, got like next to nothing clearance in the front. But it fit, surprisingly.